Hey, I'm Jay with ECS Tuning, and today we're going to be replacing the rear wheel hub assembly on this MK6 GTI. We're using our Schaeffler FAG wheel hub, which comes with the hub assembly, as well as the bolt you need and a little cap. And while we're in there, we're going to replace our ABS sensor. Let's get started. Alright, you'll only need a small assortment of tools for this job. We've got ourselves a couple of different size ratchets, a breaker bar, and a large torque wrench. Mallet could come in handy, as well as a screwdriver and a small pick for doing the ABS speed sensor, and a paint pen for your final markings. Ratchet extension can come in handy for this job. You'll also need an M18 and an M14 triple square, as well as a T30 torque bit and a 5mm Allen key. Alright, first step is to remove your caliper, and that's done with an M14 triple square. Those triple squares are here and here. Now the caliper's out of the way, we'll remove our rotor with this set screw, which uses a T30. There's our rotor and our bad wheel hub. Alright, the bolt holding the hub in place is behind this cap, which will pry out of the way. Might need a mallet just to pop it out a little easier. And we will replace this with the new cap that came in the kit. And next, we just need to remove the bolt holding the wheel hub assembly in place. We're going to be using an M18 triple square. We're going to use our high torque impact gun just to make it a little quicker. And it's out. And your wheel hub assembly should just slide out of place. There's our old one. It's a bit crusty, pretty loose in there. Let's get the new one installed. As I mentioned before, because it's a good time to be able to do this while everything's apart, we're going to replace our ABS sensor, and that's held on with one bolt, but you just use a 5mm Allen key to remove that. Here's our old sensor. Here's our new one. You can see there's a lot of wear on the end there. Some gunk in the grooves. Well, we'll put our new one in. There we go. And that's installed. Now we'll just clean all the debris off of here and reinstall our new hub assembly. Now, our new hub assembly should just slide right into place. If it does not easily slide on, you may need to clean a little bit more of the debris off of there. But we are on and seated. We'll just reinstall our bolt. And mind you, because the old hub was bad, that's when we use the impact wrench. We do not recommend using the impact wrench on reinstall because you can damage the wheel hub. Now we're going to torque it down to 70 Newton meters plus a 90-degree turn. And to make sure we get our good 90, we're just going to put a little mark at 12 o'clock. You may need a breaker bar for this because it gets awfully tight. And we're at about 90. As you see, spins pretty freely, no terrible noises. It's good to go. I'll pop on our cap. It's good to try to get it started. While that's in place, all we have to do is put our rotor back on, put the caliper in place, get our wheel on, we'll be good to go. I will just tighten these down to 140 foot-pounds. There's one. Get our wheel back in place. So that's how you install your rear wheel hub assembly kit on the MK6 GTI. You can find a link to the product down in the description. Hopefully this DIY was helpful for you. If you need instructions on how to replace the front wheel hub assembly on the MK6 GTI, check out this video. If you want to see more DIY content, check out this playlist down here. And if you have anything specific you'd like us to do a DIY on, make sure you leave a comment down below.